The Ethereum network has long been plagued by issues of scalability, causing slow transaction speeds and high gas fees. This has led to the development of Layer 2 scaling solutions, which aim to improve the efficiency of transactions on the Ethereum network. One of the most popular Layer 2 solutions is Arbitrum, which recently conducted an airdrop to distribute its native token, ARB, to a wider audience. The next airdrop will be in 174 days according to its website. In this video, we will delve into what the Arbitrum Airdrop is, how it works, and what it means for the future of the Ethereum ecosystem. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that aims to improve transaction speeds and reduce gas fees. It achieves this by using a technology known as optimistic rollups, which allows for transactions to be processed off-chain and then batched and submitted to the Ethereum network as a single transaction. This reduces the load on the Ethereum network, resulting in faster and more efficient transactions. Arbitrum was developed by Off-Chain Labs, a startup founded by Ed Felton, a former deputy U.S. Chief Technology Officer. The team behind Arbitrum consists of experts in cryptography, computer science, and distributed systems, with experience working at companies such as Google, Microsoft, and the Ethereum Foundation. In late 2021, Arbitrum conducted an airdrop to distribute their native token, ARB, to a wider audience. The airdrop was conducted in two phases, with the first phase targeting users who had previously interacted with Arbitrum on Ethereum, while the second phase was available to anyone who signed up and completed specific tasks. The purpose of the airdrop was to raise awareness of the Arbitrum network and to reward early adopters of the technology. By distributing ARB tokens to a wider audience, the project hopes to build a strong community of users and developers around their Layer 2 solution. The first phase of the Arbitrum airdrop was available to users who had previously interacted with the Arbitrum network on Ethereum. This included users who had sent or received transactions on Arbitrum, as well as those who had used Arbitrum-compatible wallets or dApps. The amount of ARB tokens distributed in Phase 1 was based on the level of user activity on the network. Those who had made more transactions or interacted more frequently with the network were eligible to receive more tokens. The maximum amount of ARB tokens that could be earned in Phase 1 was 2,500 ARB. To claim their tokens, users had to connect their Ethereum wallet to the Arbitrum network and follow the instructions on the airdrop website. The tokens were distributed directly to the user's Ethereum wallet and could be used immediately on the Arbitrum network. The second phase of the Arbitrum airdrop was available to anyone who signed up and completed specific tasks. This phase was designed to encourage community participation and engagement with the Arbitrum ecosystem. To participate in Phase 2, users had to complete a series of tasks, including following Arbitrum on social media, joining their Discord channel, and referring friends to the airdrop. The amount of ARB tokens that could be earned in Phase 2 was based on the number of tasks completed, with a maximum of 2,500 ARB tokens available. Once again, to claim their tokens, users had to connect their Ethereum wallet to the Arbitrum network and follow the instructions on the airdrop website. The tokens were distributed directly to the user's Ethereum wallet and could be used immediately on the Arbitrum network. The ARB token is the native token of the Arbitrum network, and it is used as a means of payment and governance within the ecosystem. Users can use ARB tokens to pay for transaction fees on the Arbitrum network, as well as to participate in governance decisions and vote on protocol upgrades. The total supply of ARB tokens is capped at 1 billion, with a significant portion of the tokens reserved for future development and community initiatives. The token is currently listed on several major exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, making it easily accessible to a wide audience of users and investors. The Arbitrum airdrop represents a significant step forward for the Ethereum ecosystem, as it demonstrates the growing popularity and adoption of Layer 2 scaling solutions. By distributing ARB tokens to a wider audience, the project aims to build a strong community of users and developers around their technology, which could help to drive further innovation and development on the Ethereum network. The success of the Arbitrum airdrop also highlights the importance of community engagement and participation in the development of decentralized technologies. By incentivizing users to participate in the airdrop and complete specific tasks, Arbitrum was able to build a strong and engaged community around their Layer 2 solution, which could help to drive further adoption and development of the technology in the future.